Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. In today's video I am going to be decorating the spare room. This might take me a while, but we're going to start the process. I'm going to start with paneling the entire bottom half of the walls, and yeah, let's get going. So the first thing I've done is clear out the room. I did declutter it in the last video, so it's pretty much all bare and tidy. I've moved everything out of the room like small pieces, and then I'm going to move all the big bits into the middle of the room, and then I'm going to start measuring. So I'm going to measure where the dado rail is going to sit on the wall. I think it's about 1 meter up roughly, and then I'm just going to mark out all like the panel boxes on the walls. So yeah, let's go.
I had a feeling you'd come back and save me from all those lonely nights and heartbreaks. And I feel misplaced without you. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to? Never wanted to end it like we did. I guess shit happens for a reason, but it's like something feels different from back then. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to? Honestly, I'm open wide. I don't feel.
So we now have all the measurements on the walls, and it is time to start cutting the wood.
Go back to your bedroom. And mistakes, and I'm just pointless without you. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to? Never wanted to end things like we did. I'm sorry for all those promises I made you that I couldn't keep, but it's like something feels different from back then. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to? Honestly, I'm open wide. I don't feel like waking up without you by my side. I still see your silhouette. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to your bedroom?
I've done all my cuts, I then lay it out on the floor to make sure they all fit together nicely and all the angles are correct and lengths, and then it's just time to stick it to the wall. So I use this to stick it to the walls. I've never had any problems with it. I just use like a sealant gun with this in it, and then I'll show you.
About to leave, already packing, come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Somehow we can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go, let's be free
filled in all the joins with as like little filler as possible, and I've sanded it all down. So this is what we are currently working with. Try and avoid the desk in the middle because it's covered in stuff. Must use the wires. Yeah, that's what it's looking like right now. So now my job is to start caulking between. I have actually started. It just makes it join to the wall so much more seamlessly. So yeah, it does take a while and a bit of patience, but that's what I'm gonna do now.
I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say let's convey. Don't need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. You do. Show me something. Give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you're a good guy. Make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it. I wanna see it. See how. Rewind. When we rewind, it feels so nice. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk.
So I have finished caulking all the wood, and I'm now going to start priming. So this is the primer I'm going to be using. It's just a B&Q own wood primer. I used it on the panelling in the bedroom, and it worked fine.
You need to say let's convey. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. We've been dancing all night long. Right here with you way too long. Don't want nothing here or now. But I'm done waiting, done wasting my time. Got this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say let's convey. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Sweet talk, sweet
I had a feeling you'd come back and save me from all those lonely nights and heartbreaks. And I feel misplaced without you. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to? Never wanted to end it like we did. I guess shit happens for a reason, but it's like something feels different from back then. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to? Honestly, I'm open wide. I don't feel like waking up without you by my side. I still see your silhouette. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to your bedroom? without you by my side. I still see your silhouette. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to your bedroom?
So this is how our home office is now looking. It's nearly done. I need to buy a few more accessories which I haven't got around to doing yet, but I really love how it's turned out. I love the paneling in here, much easier than I thought it was going to be. But yeah, I'll talk you through where things are from. The wall colour is from Lick. The top half is Greige 01 and the bottom half is White 02, I believe. The wood is all from Wickes. This is a dado rail and this is like moulding. Lots of more details on the paneling on my home Instagram account, home@2, which I'll leave in the description down below. The main feature is the desk, which is from Maison du Monde. Really good quality and came fully built, so it did struggle coming up the stairs. The lamp is from Dunelm. The dried bunches, so this one is from Meadow Made, or by Meadow Made, I believe. On Instagram they sent that to me. And the white ruscus is from Tiger Lily. And then the chair is just an old chair. I would like to change it, but it's not a priority right now. It's functional. I've just tried to make it a little bit cuter with the throw, which is from HomeSense, and the cushion, which is all from IKEA, the insert and the cover. That's everything. Oh, the candle is from Dusk. Smells really good. And the mouse mat is from Amazon, and the little trinket dish is from the White Company. I think that's everything on the desk. And then the curtains and curtain rail are from Dunelm. These curtains are the Lunar curtains from Dunelm in shade Natural. We've also got these in our bedroom. Really love these curtains. I'd probably have them all over the house eventually. And then the bookcases are IKEA. I won't show you too up close because they're not styled very nicely, and they've got a lot of Seb's books on there, which I don't know what to do with. But these were £19 each, so really affordable. Obviously not the best quality, but they are functional. I'm going to try and make them a little bit nicer looking by adding maybe some moulding to match the paneling, and maybe some like coving on top to make them a little bit more fancy. But they're fine as they are for now. And I think that's everything. Oh, the vase is from HomeSense on the windowsill, and the branch, I believe it's like an olive branch, faux olive branch from Neptune. So I think that's everything in here. So for this room, I'd quite like to get an armchair for this corner, just so we can both sit in here. We spend quite a lot of time in here. I get ready in here because it's my wardrobe there. So maybe get an armchair. I think a side table would be a bit of a squeeze, so maybe just an armchair there. Maybe a rug, and then obviously the light fitting, and then a slight change to the bookcases. But other than that, that sounds like quite a lot, but other than that, I think that we are complete in here. So that is everything for my transformation video. I hope you enjoyed, and please like and subscribe if you would like to see more. If there's anything you'd like to see, then let me know. Check out my Instagram for more details about where things are from. I've got lots of paneling videos on my Instagram and step-by-step highlights in my office, my home office highlight on my Instagram. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye.